So when we receive the parts from the engine, which we need to rebuild, we have to check for any excess damage. Using the machine to clean the parts, we can check for any small cracks and ensure that the parts that we're replacing, any old parts we're putting back on the car, are as good as new.
So the Torrent is the best-selling semi-automatic parts cleaner in the world. It's 5 times faster than an automatic parts cleaner and 10 times faster than a standard parts cleaner. It's the winning combination of our NCH chemistry, temperature and pressure that makes it such a good machine. The machine reduces labour costs through effective and faster cleaning, and also can significantly reduce the hazardous waste due to our chemicals, which can mean that the service cycle can be extended, thus saving you, the customer, more money. And then also environmentally, it completely eliminates the use of any organic solvents in your process and can help with any ISO accreditations that you're trying to seek.
So using this machine cuts our cleaning times down by around 80%. The ease of use of the machine, pretty much anybody can walk up, put their hands in the gloves, start using it without any instruction, and it's very easy to use, very versatile. We can clean a number of things, plastics, metals, everything can go in there. And like I say, the speed of the cleaning is about 80% quicker than using normal detergents or brake cleaner or things like that.